What's up, everyone? Today, I'm going to show you how to download Adobe InDesign on your PC or Mac for free. Start by clicking the link in the description below to head over to Adobe's official site. Once you're there, click the free trial button. Then, select the business plan, which offers a 14-day free trial, providing plenty of time to explore all design tools in InDesign. Next, click Continue and enter your email address and press Continue again. Now you'll have to fill in your personal details and payment info. But Adobe won't charge you until the 14-day trial ends, and you can cancel anytime before that or stick with it. Once the form is done, click Agree and subscribe. Now you need to create a secure password for your new Adobe account. After that, you'll be asked to download the Creative Cloud desktop app. Install it, then log in with the same email address you just used. Once Creative Cloud is open, head to the Apps tab. Find Adobe InDesign and click Install, and that's it. Adobe InDesign is now installed and ready to go. Plus, you'll get access to all the other excellent tools and software in the Creative Cloud Pro Suite. Click the link in the description to try Adobe InDesign and the full Creative Cloud Pro Suite for free today. If this video helped, please like and subscribe for more happy designing.